Hello and welcome. In this video we'll be showing you how to use the gallery feature in the Casambi app. Let's get started. Begin by selecting gallery from the options at the bottom of the screen. Tap on edit in the top right, and then tap on the add symbol in the top left. You can either take a photo, or select one of your existing photos. Once you've taken or selected a photo, tap on the add symbol in the top left. Now you can select one of the luminaires shown in your photo. Tap on Done in the top right once you've selected the luminaire you wish to add to your photo, and drag the circle to your luminaire to show which light it's controlling. You can repeat the process to add more luminaires to your picture. Once you've added all the luminaires you want to be able to control from the photo, select Done in the top right, and then Close in the top left. To turn your light on or off, tap on the button once. To adjust the brightness, swipe across the screen horizontally. To control the warmth, swipe up and down the screen vertically. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful, and we look forward to creating more videos like this in the future.